Okay, thanks everyone. Thanks for joining the Salesforce internship program. We are at episode number 7. As we discussed, we are going to create a quote and quote line item object. As we see, we have a header called quote, and these are the line item that we have in our quotations. So, in order to achieve that quote line item, we need to create a quote line item object in a Salesforce. For this, let's create a quote line object and tab in the Salesforce. Click on wrench icon, go to the setup, click on object manager, click on create tab and click on a custom object. We need to select a quote line object as a label and pillar name. We are going to put a quote line item name field as a auto number field. In order to select the quote line number field is a auto number field, the format will be QLI hyphen curly braces 000. Put a starting number as 1. Make them allow reporting, make them allow activities, track the field history, allows, we don't need to search for this one, add, we don't need add an attachment, we don't need a custom tab. We are not going to add a custom tab because this is a related object which is associated with the code. Once we have added successfully the custom objects, let's create a field which is needed for quote line item. As you know, the PIT is our inventory item or product item that we are going to send a quotations to our customer. So we need to create a field, a lookup relationship, data type of PIT. Click on next, give access to all your profiles, add to the layout, and then click on save and new. Now let's move to the another item called sales price. As you know, every PIT has a expected for the price which we need to pay either to the different breeder or the power breeder company. So we are going to create a field called sales price, which will be a currency type, right? So we are going to select a currency data type, click on next, put a field name called sales price, make it 16, 2 comma decimal places, click on next. Make it visible for all profiles for this particular field, add to the layout, click on save and new. Let's create another field called discount, which will be your number 16 comma 2. I'm going to put a number field data type, going to create a field called discount 16 comma 2. Make it visible for profile, add to the layout, click on save and new. Let's create a quantity field on our object. A quantity will not be in decimal places and it should be a number field. So we are going to create a field called number type. The decimal places will be 0. We are going to put a maximum length to 2 digit. Click on visible, click on next and save and new. Let's move to the another field which is called a net total, which will be a formula. We'll discuss about the formula. Let's move to the quote master detail relationship with the quote line item. We'll create a master detail relationship here. Let's select a quote because the quote is my primary. Click on next, click on next, give access, add to the layout, click on save. Now so far we have created a relationship between the code and code line object using a master detail relationship. Now in order to get that net total as a formula currency field, what we have to do, we'll have to create a formula. Let's see the formula how it will look like, right? So what we have a sales price. After getting a sales price, we need to calculate the discount amount, right? So let's create another field called discount amount. So we are going to create another field called discount amount. This will be a field API name called discount amount __ C, and we have a formula of currency type. So let's create a formula of currency type of discount amount, which will be a sales price multiplied by discount __ C. This will give you the exact discount amount. So let's suppose you are having a price of 100. Divided by 100. So you have, if you, let's suppose you are giving, you have a sales price called 1000 of 10% will be my desired result. So it will give you the 10 of divided by 100. The final result will see, right? So let me open the one Excel sheet, then you will understand better. So let's suppose your sales price is 1000 and you have discount called 10%. Then 10% of the discount amount will become like this: 10,000 multiplied by 10, the whole part divided by 100 will become my $100 as a discount amount, right? So let's suppose if you are quoting to 15 discount 15%, so you are giving a 150 as a discount. So your formula will become F4 means the sales price multiplied by discount divided by 100. So here what we did, sales price multiplied by discount divided by 100 will become my discount formula, discount amount formula. So let's create a discount amount formula on one code line item. So we are going to create a field data type called currency. Click on next, discount amount, which will be a 16,2. I need to select a formula because let me go back and select this will be a discount amount, which will be a currency type. Now click on next and then put the formula. We have sales price multiplied by discount amount, discount, and divided by 100 will give me the final result of discount amount. Make it visible for all, click on next and save. Now if you see, I have created successfully a discount amount which is data type called formula, and this formula will look like. Now in order to achieve another field that we talked about, it is called net total. This will be also a formula. So this formula will be a sales price multiplied by quantity minus discount amount. Sales price minus discount amount multiplied by a quantity will become my final total, right? So let's suppose if we have a quantity 10 quantity, we already applied a discount of 15%. This is called percent, and the discount amount will become a 150. So your net total will become $1,000 minus 150 multiplied by the quantity field. So we have 8,500 for this particular amount, because 1000 minus 150 become 850. 850 multiplied by 10 quantity will give you the 8,500. So now let's put a formula for the net total. Let's create a formula for net total in our code line item object. So we are going to choose a data type called formula. Click on next. Net total. This will be a return type called currency. Make sure to insert a field for your sales price minus the discount amount multiplied by the quantity field. So this will become my final formula for net total. Click on next. Make it visible for all. Click on next, add to the layout. Let's review the process for now. So we have created a name field, which is a given standard name field. We have a pet, we have a sales price, discount, quantity, net total, quote as a master detail, and discount amount. Let's revisit to our quote line item. So now quote line item has a master detail on a quote, and then we have a quantity, then we have a pet, then we have a net total, which is a formula. Discount amount is also a formula, then discount percentage, and we have a sales price. So that's it for our episode number 7. Thanks for joining this Salesforce internship program. Stay tuned for the next episode.